In life, we face challenges that can have a lasting impact on our families. When it comes to family court cases, finding the right support and guidance can make all the difference. At Mackenzie Friend Academy, we understand the complexities and emotions that come with family court battles. We also believe in providing affordable solutions and supporting our clients to deliver the best possible outcomes for their families. Why choose us? We offer two compelling options. Option 1, cost-effective case coverage. Our experienced team provides exceptional legal support at a fraction of the cost of traditional solicitors. Option 2, comprehensive assistance. We handle all the necessary paperwork, statements, and tasks, ensuring a smooth process. But sometimes, it's not just about the legalities. Sometimes, it's about talking, understanding, and finding the right solution together. That's why we encourage you to schedule a free consultation with our expert team. We're here to listen, offer guidance, and tailor our approach to your unique needs. Don't let your family court case consume you. Take action now, and let us help you confidently navigate the legal process. To schedule your free consultation, call us at 01322940687 or visit our website at www.mackenziefriend.academy. Join the countless families who have found hope, support, and resolution with Mackenzie Friend Academy. Mackenzie Friend Academy guides you through the complexities of family court cases.